Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Lady V. And now, Lady V is talking about sexual preferences, and she's saying that she has no problem with if you're gay or straight. Everyone deserves to live, and everyone deserves to have their own sexual preference. And now, Lady V also went in to talk about her daughter on a brief moment. As allegedly Lorraine had said that she, Lady V, had her partner, raped her daughter, allegedly. And so that topic was touched on a bit. And she explained that she grew her daughter in a very loving way, in the way that she knew how. And so there's no bad blood between them, So go ahead and check the video out, and please remember to share, like, subscribe to the channel, and comment. Thank you.
Judge. So I'm not here to critique anyone, to judge anyone, to bash anyone for their sexual preference, orientation, or sexuality, whatever you want to call it. And because of that, I tend to mind my own business, because it's the best business to mind. And but however, I do have a problem with a bisexual person. I don't have a problem with a girl that is open, straightforward, a lesbian. I respect that person like I respect my own self. I don't see them in any lesser light. I don't look down on them. I don't turn up the nose on them. I will never call them out their names. I will never call them fish and dish and man royal and butch and no, I will never do that, because to each his own, and every man have a right to decide his own destiny, and we need to start respecting those positions. All right, but for me personally, if a man is gay, I love him like my brother. I respect him. He can be my friend. I will do anything for him. And I wouldn't see him as his situation. Nathan, how you doing? I wouldn't see him as his situation. I wouldn't see it as a case of, because a man is gay, then he's not worthy to live. I think all gay person has the right to life, and that they should live without threat and pressure. I think they should be able to live free like everyone else live. I don't think when we see a person, we should see their sexuality. When we see a human being, that's what we need to see. So when you see X-man that is gay, you shouldn't be seeing the fact that he's gay. You should just see him as this person. So let's say Valine was gay, which I am not, but if anybody want to say I am, I really don't care. If I was a gay woman, when you see me, you shouldn't see Lady V, the gay Lady V. You should see Lady V, who happens to be a gay woman. That's what you should see. You shouldn't see my sexuality first. That shouldn't come into place. When a mother have a son and he becomes gay, she shouldn't tell you, "So me gay Sonia, Ryan." She should say, "This is my son Ryan, and he's gay, or he happens to be gay." All right, so I think we're putting the horse before the cart, where we're seeing person's sexuality, sexual preference, or orientation, or lifestyle, and making it a problem. Katie Williams, how you doing? Kim Mason, how are you? Mirza, how you doing? And that is not how it should be. So I just want to say this now tonight. Please share the live and let's educate a couple persons around here. I know dunce people, and yes, me say it exactly how I want to say it. I know dunce people love to lick out, but be man for dead. Gas them and light them, fish and this and all kind of something. You have some man so dumb and dunce and stupid that they will come and say, oh, they would even use the word fish. Me not eat fish, man, eat swim around. Okay, guys, for those of you who do not know who my daughter is, the daughter that social media people say me make my man rape, all of these things. My daughter is on the live. Her name is Tenille Purcell. So all of you who do not know who Lady V's daughter is, she's on the live. Her name is Tenille Purcell. If y'all want to know who she's, click on it and say if y'all see her page. All right. The daughter wouldn't say hate me. The daughter wouldn't say my man rape my daughter for money. Well, Lorraine Campbell says so. And the madam at Jamaica say me my friend and my yard go rape my daughter. Alright? My daughter in the life. I tell her all the time, so me and my daughter don't get along. I tell her all the time, so me and my daughter is at odds. I tell her all the time, so me and my daughter have a strained relationship. She's here now. I have not spoken to my daughter since maybe June. And my daughter will tell her there's no hate here. I am just disappointed in her and how I want her to live. Alright? And because I want my daughter to go to school, stop engaging in frolicking and friends and partying and taking nude and semi-nude and dancing and bouncing pictures with all kind of this and that. And that is the reason why the relationship between my daughter and I is strained. There's nothing else between my daughter and I. I raised my daughter to the best of my ability, loved her as much as I knew how to love her, taught her everything that was right in my book, wanted more for her than maybe she wants for herself at this present time. She's young, she's 21, she's in her growing stages, she have to make her own mistakes, and sometimes as a mother you have to step back and give them the freedom to make those mistakes and do whatever it is that they have to do. Like I say, I heard Lorraine Campbell say, me carry man, me make for my man rape for my daughter, for money. Right? And me hear the crazy ass of Jamaica say, me carry my friend and my house to rape my daughter. Guys, when my daughter was raped, I was never in this country. I never know the young man who raped my daughter until the day of court. My daughter can tell you what I felt about the young man. And with that said, I have nothing else to say. But those of you who don't know my daughter, she's in the chat and her name is Tenille Purcell. Alright? Alright. So, as to what I was saying, so we know we always I say, oh, gay people, them life are not the same, them not have the same amount of rights. They're not supposed to sit down and chair where straight people sit on. They're not supposed to come inside, not stay outside, Karen Drakes. Man, I'll leave you outside. Chocolate and vanilla, how are you? And I know we think gay persons should not drink from the glass we drink from. They shouldn't sleep on the bed we sleep on. But at the same time, all the clothes, all the designer clothes that we wear, they make them. So if you so hate them, why are you wearing their clothes? You go on a plane. Most of the crew on here on a flight, they're gay. Most of the men that you see works on these airlines, they're gay as gay itself. And they must serve you drinks and food, right? Why you not say you're not go on the plane with them? Why you don't say you're not going on the plane with them? Why you don't say that? Why you still buy the designer clothes? No, I had to say it, thing. Because when you hear them little maggots up on social media, come on social media and talk, they open them out and tell a whole can of lies and then think it sound good and it's salacious and people are going to listen. And then talk up and, Lady V carrying her friend in her house, got rape all that. That are the dragon from Jamaica, the Jezebel, right? And then Lorraine Campbell. Now, she come and hear that lunatic. One fool makes many fool. Lorraine heard that lunatic saying that and Lorraine ran with it. I didn't hear Lorraine say anything like that before, but I guess she felt like she needed to go there because she thought it was stooping low and she felt it was a low blow. I don't take no issue with Lorraine. I not hate Lorraine, so I don't have nothing with Lorraine. But so I say already, I'm done with that. I don't have nothing against Lorraine. I don't feature Lorraine. I don't focus on Lorraine. I don't go back and forth and toe to toe with Lorraine. Come out here, hug it today, hug it tomorrow, like me nah no sense. Because out of all the bunch of people on social media, I'm the most educated. So why would I come here and do a foot? Well, might as well make sure we all my education and